Hey, good morning. Welcome to the first week of class. This semester, we are going to be reading the book And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie. It's a super good book. I think you guys are going to like it. It's a mystery. Basically, what happens, kind of quick overview, is 10 different people who don't know each other get this weird invitation to go to Soldier Island, also called Indian Island. They kind of switch back and forth on what it's called. So Soldier Island and Indian Island are the same place. And it's a Mr. Owen who invites them. They all choose to go, and then one by one, they start to get murdered. So it's kind of a who did it mystery, and it's really good. It's really well written. I think you'll like it. So how it's going to work, obviously, since I can't just throw this book through the computer screen, is each week I'll post the chapters you need to read. So if we go to classwork week 1, you've got read chapters 1 and 2, do the chapter 1 and 2 questions. So it's super organized. You just click here, and then you've got chapter 1, and you just read, and then you go down to chapter 2. You'll read chapter 2 as well. And then those are the only 2 chapters that are posted in this document. It looks like a lot of reading, 27 pages, but it's spaced out. You'll be fine, I promise. Okay, 2 chapters a week. Then you do the chapters 1 and 2 questions. When we open that up, we've got vocab up top. So part of speech, definition, use the word in a sentence. Anywhere in the white boxes, that is where you will be typing. And then chapter 1 questions and the chapter 2 questions. So you can either read a chapter, do the questions, read a chapter, do the questions. You can read them both, do both questions later, however you want to do that. Okay. So on Mondays, the new chapters and the new questions will be posted. And then on Thursdays, the reading quiz will be posted. So you'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to get the chapters read and the questions done. And then on Thursday, the quiz will be posted, okay? And that quiz is just on the chapters from the week. So make sure you're keeping up on the reading, okay? It's super important to keep up, because if you get behind and all of a sudden we're towards the end of the semester and you're like 170 pages behind, it's going to be super overwhelming for you, okay? So please make sure you keep up on the reading. One option, if you're super busy around the house or you drive a lot during the week, is to listen to the book. Free option is just to go to YouTube and type in And Then There Were None, chapter, whatever you're on, audio. And then you can kind of click around and figure out whose voice you like the best. And it'll have all of the chapters there for you, okay? So you can kind of listen to it. I like to listen to books while I'm driving, so I totally get it if you'd rather do that. Just make sure if you're listening to it, you're really paying attention, so you can get those questions done and you can be successful on the quiz, okay? So the attendance word of the week is going to be Agatha. The title, or our author's first name, Agatha. So if you missed the meet today, email me the word Agatha. That way I know you watched this lesson and I will get you counted present for attendance. Okay? So if you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, go ahead and get started on your reading.